Hello. Well, I almost forgot about the second package. So, the Zeltec, I looked at it real quick, and it is U11. That is the 18 volt regulator. So, this one, it came from Slovakia. Does Cuddy want cookies? Is she helping? She's supervising, huh? Here. She likes her cookies. Okay, she has her cookies. Okay, so this one came from Slovakia. I wanted a backup unit. So I have a backup unit. I didn't want this particular unit, but it was available. So let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. This was a decent deal. If it works, it should. I said it was fully tested and everything, so let's hope it works, because I think I have another tech that is going to trade me straight across for the one I want, because I decided I'm not giving this company any more of my money. So, what do we have in this? What is in here, Cuddy? Do you want cookies? There you go. Yeah, this company here is not getting any more of my money. Not after the stuff they pulled with. So, let's see what's in here. Looks like it's packed pretty well. That's amazing. Just some of the stuff that's been packed recently. You gotta wonder what these people are thinking. So, I already have one of these, but I don't have the pebble. I don't have this. But I figured, why not? It was with it. So, it's JBC P405. This is another desoldering module. This is electric. So, I don't think I've taken one of these apart yet on video. So, I will take this apart and do a critter inspection. And when we're done with the critter inspection, I will shut the video down. She's gonna try to knock this over. No. Go back, lay down. Be good for cookies. She wants cookies. Hopefully this is in decent condition. Okay, I think maybe these are under. Got 2 more screws. Yeah, JBC quality is way overhyped. I'm not gonna be fanboying them. Yeah. And I'll get the pin out for the pedal. There we go. That's what's inside one of these. What is this? G-Lux on? You see that? G-Lux on? What the hell brand of caps are those? But no critters. Okay. Ugh. I can put this back together. Looks like it's in decent shape. These don't get used that often generally. Or they do get used, but I use mine often. But not as often as I used to with my Hako stuff. The Hako stuff got used quite a bit. The sticky feet all hairy. Everything around here gets cat hair. She just sheds. I think my battery might be going dead. I don't know. But I will figure this out. So if my battery goes dead, it's gonna stop. My screen went really, really dark. So I'm gonna put this back together and I will come back on another video and open up the pedal once I charge the phone. We'll catch y'all later. Ooh, we gotta give Cotty her cookies before the video ends. Here we go. Cotty gets cookies. Here. Cotty gets cookies. Yeah, I just don't like the noise of the electric ones. I want a pneumatic one, so hopefully the other tech across the river there, local, wants to swap out. We'll catch y'all later.